So we're going to start with an example that has to do with solving an algebraic proof. So here's our problem. 4m minus 8 equals negative 12. So I'm going to start, I have the eraser up, by making my two columns. Column 1 is my statement, and column 2 is my reason. So with algebraic proofs, what we're going to do on our statement side is we're going to solve our problem like we typically would. So I'll start by writing it down. 4m minus 8 equals negative 12. When you just copy the problem down, the reason that you're able to copy it down is called the given. This is the very first step. So many students skip this and then end up getting it wrong when it's your easiest thing. Recopying the statement as your given. Now, I'm going to solve my math and get my variable by itself. I'm going to do that by adding 8 to both sides. So for statement 2, I'm going to write the answer that I got as a result. My 2 8s cancel, and this is equal to negative 4. So now I need to give my reason. I'm going to go back to my definition slide. I'm going to look for the property that lets me add 8 to both sides, and I see that's the addition property of equality. So going back to my proof here, I always use shorthand. That's the addition property equality. Now I want to get the m by itself. In order to do that, I'm going to divide 4 on both sides. I get m is equal to negative 1. I need to name the property that let me divide 4 on both sides. When I go back, I look for something that says divide by the same number on both sides. And that's the division property of equality. So that goes here. When you get your answer, you're done. Now what you're going to do is on the video, it's going to give you the option to draw on your screen. You're going to do one yourself. Solve the equation 3x plus 5 equals 17 and write a justification for each step. It should look like what I just did on the last slide. Go ahead and try.